Good morning, children. Sairam. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, isn't it? Yes. So let's move on to the today's topic. We are going to see chapter number 15, 17 and 18 in active English. Okay. What is chapter number 15? It is comparison of adjectives. Comparison of adjectives. When we see two objects, what we do? We compare, isn't it? For example, if you are having two chocolates, what do you see? What do you do? You compare those two chocolates. Which one is bigger, isn't it? Like that, comparison of adjectives means we compare the differences between the two objects. Okay, children, only two objects, not more than that. Okay, only two objects. Okay. Here they have given some set of words. It is thin, thinner, thin, thinner, fat, fatter, fat, fatter, fast, faster, fast, faster, slow, slower, slow, slower, strong, stronger, strong, stronger, weak, weaker, weak, weaker, tall, taller, tall, taller, short, shorter, short, shorter, small, smaller, small, smaller, big, bigger, big, bigger, old, older, old, older, young, younger, young, younger. Okay, children? So, using these words, we are going to finish some sentences. Okay, children? Using these words, we are going to finish some sentences. See, fill in the words. Fill in the words. They have given the words old, tall, small, young, short, fast, slow, strong, big, thin, fat, weak. So we have seen the comparative adjectives for these words, isn't it? Just now we have seen. So we are going to use these words to fill in these sentences. Okay, children? So see the first one. A man is older than a boy. A man is older than a boy. Isn't it? So this old becomes older, older than. What is the comparative adjective for older? Old, it is older. Old, older. Older than a boy. See the next one. A tree is dash a flower. A tree is dash a flower. What is? Compare these two objects, tree and flower. A tree is big. Use the word big. What is the comparative adjective for big? It is bigger, isn't it? It is bigger. So, a tree is bigger. B. Bigger than. Bigger than a flower, isn't it? A tree is bigger than a flower. Can you understand, children? Yes? Shall we move on to the next one? See the third one. A cat is dash a dog. A cat is dash a dog. A cat is dash a dog. So compare these two, cat and dog. What which word we can use? A cat is small, isn't it? So use the word small. What we have to write? A cat is smaller than. The comparative adjective is smaller. Yes, smaller, smaller than. Smaller than a dog. A cat is smaller than a dog. Isn't it? Cat is smaller than a dog. Fourth one. A girl is dash a woman. A girl is dash a woman. Compare these two, girl and woman. Girl is older than woman? No. Taller than woman? No. So, girl means a small girl. So, girl is use this word. Young. Young. So, what is the comparative adjective for young? Younger. Isn't it? Young, younger. So, a girl is younger than. A girl is younger than a woman. So, Y-O-U-N-G-E-R. Younger than. T-H-A-N. A girl is younger than a woman. Okay, children? Is it clear? Yes? See the next one. A pencil is dash a ruler. A pencil is dash a ruler. So compare pencil and ruler. So which word should come here? A pencil is short. Use this word short. Use this word short. So a pencil is shorter. S-H-O-R-T-E-R. Shorter than. A pencil is shorter than a ruler. Isn't it? A pencil is shorter than a ruler. The next one. An aeroplane is dash a car. An aeroplane is dash a car. How it will go, aeroplane? Slowly? No. So, an aeroplane is faster than a car. An aeroplane is faster than a car. So, we have to write faster. E-R-F-A-S-T-E-R. Faster than. Faster than a car. Okay, children? An aeroplane is faster than a car. Okay, children? So, try to finish the remaining sentences. Using these words, try to finish the remaining sentences. So, can you understand this comparison of adjectives? That is, we are comparing two objects, not more than that. Okay, children? We are comparing two objects. The differences. That means we are comparing the differences between the two objects, not more than that. Only two objects. Okay, children? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Here they have given some set of words. That is happy, happier. Happy, happier. Beautiful, more beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful. Next one is greedy, greedier. Greedy, greedier. Next one, careless, more careless. Careless, more careless. Heavy, heavier. Heavy, heavier. Easy, easier. Easy, easier. Okay, children? So, we are going to use this set of words to finish the sentences. Okay, children? Shall we move? Yes. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Here they have given pictures. Okay, children? See the first picture. What the girl is doing? She is smiling, isn't it? So, see the sentence. This girl is happy. This girl is happy, but this girl is happier because this girl smiles a lot than this girl, isn't it? So, this girl is happy, but this girl is happier. So, happy, happier, happy, happier. So, comparative adjective of happy is happier. Okay, children? See the next picture. This boy is greedy. This boy is greedy, but this boy is, for greedy, what we have to write? Greedier. For greedy, it is greedier. Okay. This boy is greedy, but this boy is greedier. Is it clear, children? Shall we see one more example? Yes. Look at the picture. What the boy is having? A box, isn't it? This girl also having a box bigger than this box, isn't it? So, see the sentence. This box is heavy. This box is heavy, but this box is, for the word heavy, what we have to write? Heavier. Heavy, heavier. Just now we have seen, isn't it? Heavy, heavier. So this box is heavy, but this box is heavier. On seeing itself, you can understand, isn't it? It is a, comparing to this box, it is small, isn't it? So this box is heavy, but this box is heavier. This box is heavier. So see the next picture. It is 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. And here 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Which sum is very easy for you? Which sum is easy for you? This one, isn't it? It is also easy, but it is easier. So what they have given? This sum is easy. This sum is easy, but this sum is easier. For the word easy, we have to write easier. Easy, easier. This sum is easy, but this sum is easier. So we are comparing this sum and this sum, isn't it? This sum is more easy than this sum, isn't it? So for the word easy, what we have to write? Easier. This sum is easy, but this sum is easier. Is it clear, children? Yes. So the remaining sentences will be home assignment for you. Okay. See, look at the picture and complete the sentences using the comparative adjectives. Okay, children, they have given the comparative adjectives, isn't it? So using those words, you have to complete the remaining sentences. Okay, children. So now let's move on to the chapter number 17 and 18. Okay, children, finish the sentences. Finish the sentences. So look at the pictures. Here one boy is there. So this boy is asking, where is my umbrella? This boy is asking, where is my umbrella? This woman is having his umbrella. So she is answering, here is your umbrella. Here is your umbrella. Here it is. The boy is searching for his umbrella and asking, where is my umbrella? She is having his umbrella. So she is answering, here is your umbrella. So my becomes your. Here is your umbrella. Here it is. So she is answering like that. Here is your umbrella because she is having his umbrella, isn't it? So she is answering, here is your umbrella. Here it is. Can you understand, children? Yes? Yes. The next one is, look at the picture. This boy is searching for something, isn't it? What he is asking? Where are my books? He is asking, where are my books? This boy is having his books. So he is answering, here are your books. Here, because he is having. So he is answering here. Here are your books. Here they are. Here are your books. Here they are. Okay, children, can you understand? Let's see one more example. See, this boy is also searching for something, isn't it? In a shoe rack. So what he is asking, where are my shoes? He is asking, where are my shoes? So he is searching for his shoes. But this boy, look at the second picture. This boy is having his shoes, isn't it? So he is showing the shoes and answering. What he answers? Here are your shoes, because he is having, isn't it? So he answers, here are your shoes. Here they are. Here are your shoes. Here they are. Isn't it? Can you all understand, children? Is it clear? Yes? So the remaining will be home assignment for you. Okay, children, look at the picture and understand what he is asking and answer the questions. Okay, children? Next one is finish the sentences. Finish the sentences. Here also we are going to look at the picture and we are going to understand the question and we have to answer. Okay, children? See, look at the first picture. One woman is there. And where are the children? Someone is asking, where are the children? And she is answering because she looks at the children, isn't it? So she is answering, there are the children. So like that she is answering. So look at this. Look at her hands. There are the children. Because the children are playing somewhere, isn't it? So there are the children. That they are. She is answering, there are the children. That they are. That they are. Look at the second picture. Someone is asking, where is the kite? What they are asking? Where is the kite? This boy is answering, look at his hand. There. Because he is looking at the kite somewhere else. So he is answering, there are the kite. Here. There are the kite. There it is. There is the kite. Sorry. There is the kite. There it is. Isn't it? There is the kite. There it is. Next one. Look at the picture. He is asking. Because he is searching for something. Isn't it? What he is asking? Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? So he is searching for his glasses. But he is going to answer because he look at the glasses. So how he is answering? There are your glasses. There are your glasses. There they are. There they are. There are your glasses. There they are. Okay, children. In the first topic, they are having the objects, isn't it? In the first topic, they are having the objects. So how they answer? Here. Here they are. Here it is. Here are your books. Here are your shoes. Because they are having. Isn't it? Because he is having the books. So he answers, here are your books. Isn't it? But here they are not having. Isn't it? They are not. He is not having his glasses. He is not having his glasses. Isn't it? So he answers there. There are your glasses. There are your glasses. There they are. There they are. Suppose he is having his glasses, then how he will answer? Here. Here are your glasses. Here are your glasses. Isn't it? But here he is not having his glasses. Isn't it? He is not having his glasses. So how he answers? There. There are your glasses. There they are. So like that he answers. Can you understand the difference, children? Yes? So try to finish the remaining sentences. Okay, children? So see you in the next class. Thank you. Sai Ram, children.